Hey everyone, the iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus stands out in the competitive world of smartphones, with its impressive combination of performance, battery life, and sleek design. Packed with a flagship Dimensity 9300 Plus processor and a 6400 mAh battery, this device breaks expectations by offering top-tier specs in a thin and lightweight frame, just 7.98mm thick, and weighing only 196 grams. Despite its slim build, iQOO delivers a high-performing phone that doesn't compromise on key features. At the heart of the iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus is the powerful Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset, manufactured using a 4nm process. This full large-core architecture enables superior performance, rivaling even gaming smartphones with active cooling systems. In benchmark tests, the iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus shined, scoring an impressive 2,193,009 points on AnTuTu. Geekbench 6 results were similarly strong, with 2268 in single-core and 7551 in multi-core scores, placing it ahead of many competitors. iQOO has optimized the Dimensity 9300 Plus to deliver stellar performance for daily use and heavy gaming alike. While raw power is essential, actual gameplay experience is where the iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus truly impresses. The device handles resource-heavy games like Genshin Impact with ease. Beyond its powerful core, iQOO introduces its self-developed gaming chip Q1, designed to enhance resolution and frame rates. With this chip, games can be upscaled to 1.5K resolution, providing crisper visuals with sharper character details and richer environments. Not only does the Q1 chip improve the resolution, but it also offers a super frame mode, which interpolates frames to deliver 72 FPS visuals. While the actual rendering rate is 36 FPS, the smoothness achieved rivals native 60 FPS performance, resulting in a more immersive gaming experience. Additionally, the 6K Skylight VC liquid cooling system ensures the phone remains cool even during intense gaming sessions, with a surface temperature averaging below 40 degrees centigrade. One of the standout features of the iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus is its 6400 mAh battery, which has been upgraded from the 6000 mAh found in its predecessor. Despite the battery upgrade, the phone remains light and thin, thanks to iQOO's innovative pole piece reshaping technology. This impressive battery capacity translates to long-lasting endurance. After hours of testing, including benchmarking and high-definition gaming, the phone only consumed about 35% of its battery. For everyday use, iQOO claims the phone can last up to 2 days on a single charge, which is excellent for a device in its class. When it does need to be recharged, the 80W flash charging technology delivers quick power-ups, with the phone reaching 100% in a remarkably short time. Additionally, support for third-party 55-watt PD and PPS charging ensures compatibility with a range of devices, including laptops. The iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus has a 1.5K resolution C8 screen with a refresh rate of 144 Hz, ensuring smooth visuals and sharp details. The display is bright, hitting a peak of 4500 nits, meaning it remains visible even in direct sunlight. Color accuracy is top-notch, with 100% P3 wide color gamut and 1 billion colors supported, making it ideal for media consumption and gaming. Beyond its visual prowess, the screen is designed to reduce eye strain. The LTPS hardware eye protection technology minimizes stroboscopic effects, without relying on traditional dimming methods. Its 3840 Hz PWM dimming also helps prevent visual fatigue during low-light usage. The iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus camera system leverages computational photography algorithms to deliver impressive results, despite its slim profile. The device integrates the Nice imaging algorithm, allowing for advanced deblurring, AI-powered noise reduction, and detail enhancement. The camera performs well in everyday situations, producing pleasing results in various lighting conditions. Unlike many smartphones in the mid-range price bracket that sacrifice communication capabilities, the iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus offers cutting-edge connectivity, featuring Wi-Fi 7, 5.5G, and support for 3 network concurrency and 6 network collaboration. Satellite positioning is equally robust, utilizing dual-frequency GPS and quad-frequency BDU for enhanced accuracy, even in challenging environments. In terms of durability, the device has earned an IP65 rating for dust and water resistance, making it more reliable for daily use even in adverse conditions. Whether it's enduring long-term rain or managing network transitions, the iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus provides users with peace of mind. The iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus delivers flagship-level performance and features at a price point that undercuts many competitors. With the powerful Dimensity 9300 Plus chip, a massive 6400 mAh battery, fast charging, and an outstanding display, it's hard to find a device that balances performance, battery life, and design as well as the Z9 Turbo Plus. For users seeking high-end gaming performance, superior battery life, and a sleek design, all for under $450, the iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus is an exceptional choice. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for them in the comments. Subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and see you soon.